This property is a highly visible 0.32-acre lot with Highway 30 frontage near the south bank of the Columbia River. With river, rail, and highway access, this location offers a unique mix of connectivity and character, perfect for those who want both practicality and possibility. This prime location offers easy access to Longview commerce, significant coastal tourist traffic, and proximity to both Portland and Vancouver. Bring your vision to life here, whether it's retail, housing, or another creative venture. Water, sewer, and electricity are available at the road.